welcome to this channel. Here, we discuss various easy ways to fix issues with your smartphone, from minor damage, system errors, to simple tricks that are often forgotten. So, if you want your phone to return to normal without the hassle of going to a service center, you are in the right place. Let's get started.
Introduction. Go to step 1. The plastic cover over the antenna on the rear bottom of the iPhone. Step 1. Insert a SIM card eject tool or paperclip into the hole next to the headphone jack. Press down on the paperclip until the SIM card tray pops out. Step 2. Grasp the SIM card tray and slide it out of the iPhone. Step 3. Antenna cover. This image shows the 2 tabs and 2 catches located on the underside of the antenna cover. The 2 tabs at the top of the image must be pushed towards the black cover to release them. Step 4. Be sure to slide the metal spudger between the dock connector and the antenna cover, and not into the dock connector itself. Insert a metal spudger into the slot between the dock connector and the antenna cover. Gently pry up near the 2 tabs to create a small gap between the antenna cover and the silver front bezel. Step 5. Insert an iPod opening tool in the gap between the antenna cover and the front bezel. The wedge of the tool should be pointing towards the antenna cover. Slide the tool around the corner and up until you reach the metal backing. Repeat the same procedure on the other side of the dock connector. Step 6. Grasp the antenna cover on either side and slide it up and away from the iPhone. This requires some force. If it does not come free, ensure that the antenna cover is lifted up enough to free the catches. Step 7 case. Remove the 3 Phillips, Rucker 100 screws securing the dot rear panel to the iPhone. Step 8. Getting the iPhone dot open is a challenging feat, so don't get discouraged. Take a deep breath and make sure you have plenty of time to get the job done. The small square hole is the location to insert the dental pick. In the next step. Step 9. Start removing the dot rear panel on the side with the buttons. Slide the dental pick completely into the square hole. You may need to wiggle the tool and apply a good dot amount of force to get it to go all the way. Step 10. Pry up the rear panel by pulling the dental pick counterclockwise in a quick motion. Apply force perpendicular to the plane of the display assembly. You may be afraid to go fast, but going slowly is more likely to bend the case. Step 11. Use a spudger to free the rear panel from the iPhone along the corner and top. Step 12. Repeat the same procedure on the other side of the iPhone. Slide the dental pick completely into the square hole. You may need to wiggle the tool and apply a good amount of force to get it to go all the way. Step 13. Pry up the rear panel by pulling the dental pick clockwise in a quick motion. Apply force perpendicular to the plane of the display assembly. You may be afraid to go fast, but going slowly is more likely to bend the case. The rear panel is still attached to the iPhone by the headphone jack cable, so don't entirely remove the rear panel from the iPhone just yet. Step 14. Make sure the phone is off before disconnecting. The headphone jack cable. Use a spudger to disconnect the headphone jack cable from the logic board. Step 15. Use a spudger to disconnect the camera connector. Step 16. Lift the camera out of the iPhone.
Thank you for watching. I hope the steps helped fix the issues with your phone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you still have problems or want to request other tutorials. See you in the next video.